Welcome to Session 11. Multiplication uses a different sign decision from addition. Instead of comparing magnitudes, decide whether the factor signs match. Today you will determine the product sign first, multiply absolute values accurately, handle zero, and apply the rule to a real-world rate. Same signs produce a positive product, while different signs produce a negative product. Consider -6 times +4. The signs differ, so write a negative sign first. Then multiply the magnitudes. 6 times 4 equals 24. The product is -24. For -6 times -4, the signs match, so the same magnitude becomes +24. Any number times 0 equals 0. Evaluate -8 times 7. Step 1. The factor signs differ, so predict a negative result. Step 2. Multiply the magnitudes. 8 times 7 equals 56. Step 3. Attach the predicted negative sign. Therefore, -8 times 7 equals -56. Check. The magnitude is close to 8 times 7, and the sign is negative as expected. Evaluate -12 times -5. Step 1. The two signs match, so predict a positive result. Step 2. Multiply 12 times 5 to get 60. Step 3. Keep the product positive. Therefore, -12 times -5 equals +60. Check. Multiplying 60 by the sign rule confirms that two negatives form a positive pair. A common error is using an addition rule and subtracting magnitudes. For -9 times -6, comparing 9 and 6 is irrelevant. Use the correct method, same signs give positive, then 9 times 6 equals 54. Therefore, the correct product is +54. A temperature changes by -3 degrees per hour for 4 hours. Step 1. Represent the rate as -3 and time as +4. Step 2. Different signs make the product negative. Step 3. Multiply 3 times 4 to get 12. Therefore, the total temperature change is -12 degrees. Let us recap. Same signs give positive, different signs give negative, and a zero factor gives 0. For a quick check, consider -9 times -6. The signs match, and 9 times 6 is 54, so the answer is +54. Keep learning and practicing at bridge2exam.com. Visit www.bridgedoexam.com for the full lesson, practice questions, and instant feedback.